My name is Ram Narayan. I am Managing Director for Acura Network Marketing Private Limited. This company was started in 2001 and we are celebrating 20 years of its existence. We have about close to 1 lakh satisfied customers within the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. We've been taking care of the safety and security of the people of Hyderabad for the last 20 years. The main aspect of security is safety lockers. In safety lockers, we have 3 different varieties or 3 different models. One is the manual locker, the age-old manual locker where the locker can be operated through keys. You would have seen the ladies keeping their keys in their hip. The next we introduced was electronic, where it operates through a password. So you remember a password and then you operate the password and it opens and closes. The third variety is a biometric model. This is the latest one which is happening, where the people do not want to carry the keys, then they don't even want to remember the password. They just want to keep their fingerprint, which is the most safest and the most secure way of locking your lockers. And this is what is currently moving trend in the market. Now we have always pushed for 100% security. Our concept is security inside out. What does that mean? Inside, you lock your safety and belongings, your secure belongings, you secure your belongings through a safety locker, and outside your house you install the latest technology 4 megapixel camera. So what happens is, if there is an intruder, an unwanted person getting into your house, the camera records the person who gets into your house, and when he gets into your house, when he wants to lay his hands on the jewelry or cash or any other silverware, he will not be able to do it. He will not be able to break it, because these lockers are made with powder coated mild steel. There is no welding in any of this body. It's a fully molded body, and we have a triple locking system. What does triple locking mean? For the security of it, there are some models where the locker gets locked with finger, then you have to open it with the finger first, then you have to open it with your password, and finally we give you a key. So the locker is enhanced security with 3 types of locks. Now coming to manual lockers which we have, even there we have triple locking or a dual locking system, I should say. Like in the bank, we give you an overriding key. So you open it with the first key, and then open it with the second key, the locker opens. Supposing if you close it with the second key, the first key becomes invalid. So therefore, like in a bank, you are assured that there are 2 locks in every locker where we sell it to the customers. Now apart from this, we have 5 stores in Twin Cities today, starting with Saraswati Mall at Kondapur. Then we have one at Kukatpalli near the Forum Mall. We have one at Malakpet, one at Maradpalli Secunderabad, and one at Sainikpuri. We are planning to open the 6th store at Amirpet at PVR Galleria, it's called, at Panchagutta Galleria it is actually, and that will be a landmark store with about 600 square feet, where we have over 35 models of locker in display. Now while I showed you all these models which has got the small boxes, from the smallest size to the 2 feet, that's the regular range what we have. We also have customized models which is built, customized to your requirement. We make it up to a height of 4 feet. Then we have some models which is made up to 5 feet and to 6 feet. So if you want to store silverware like lamps, like silver plates, you can't do it in a small locker. So you can buy a bigger size locker, because locker is not like an electronic item like a phone today. You buy a smartphone, the smartphone goes out of fashion, or it gets closed down within second year of operation. You all must be doing that. Every 2 years you keep changing your phone, but doesn't apply to a locker. Locker can get passed on to 2 to 3 generations, from the father or from the mother to the daughter, to the daughter to the granddaughter. It can be just passed on for 40, 50, 60 years. So my suggestion would be, whenever you want to secure your life earned or lifelong savings, you should go for a bigger sized locker, keeping in mind the next 20, 30, 40 years of your requirement. You should take the size in mind. We also have, just in case you go to our website, you like something, you want to see the locker, you can just call us. There will be a live demo at your doorstep. It's a free demo. We'll show you the product. You can say yeah, nah. We have no issues at all, including the CC cameras. We will do a live demo. We do a free site visit. We'll give you a quotation. We'll give you a costing. Then you are free to decide whether you want to install the camera and the locker at your doorstep. One last thing I want to say is that we all construct our houses. When we construct our house, we leave behind all the old items in the old house and go for a new items. We purchase a lot of new things in the new house, like new AC, new LED panel, new dining table, new cots, new almirahs. We spend crores of rupees in purchase of the apartment or the villa, and another few 30, 40, 50 lakhs in decorating the house. But in the list of these things, the locker will never be featured. People store lakhs of rupees of gold in a very normal wooden almirah like that, which is of no way secure. So I would suggest that you be safe than be sorry later. Any which ways, our first product when this company started was currency counter. So we are leaders in this market. So this counter can count any section, any bundle in 4 seconds, and it can track any fake note put in this bundle. The counting stops instantly. So that's what is the product about. We have also a commercial product for offices, which is called as a biometric attendance machine. Ajkal, because of COVID, we have introduced a product in the ATR called facial reader, where there is no touching. The employees need not touch that machine. You just go stand in front of the camera. The camera will read the face and sign off your attendance. So these are the products we deal in. We are a young company. We are highly motivated sales team who will reach your sales and service, I should say, who can reach your house or office anywhere in Twin Cities within a call of 30 to 45 minutes. So that's a vada from our side. So best of luck. Thank you very much.
You have any your own manufacturing unit, or how you
We have a manufacturing at Chennai. What we have done is that we are not focusing on manufacturing at all. We are full into brand building, customer servicing, customer enhancement of satisfaction. We work on that. So what we did is there's a separate unit which manufactures the lockers, and whenever we require the models and the stock, we just ship it from Chennai to Hyderabad.
So how many major products you have, sir, in this segment?
We have 4 different products. First is the currency counter. As I told you, we are leaders in that product. Next, we are the leaders or the next to the leaders in currency in safety lockers. Then we have the latest state of technology for the cameras, and we have the biometric ATR machines, which are the 3 products which we are dealing in currently.
So coming to the quality side, sir, it's a very important
Yes.
thing in this segment. So how you are maintaining the quality, especially this kind of
Quality, before we launch any product, any model I should say, not the product, we test it tirelessly for about close to 5 to 6 months at various customer places, and then only we launch the product. We take a lot of customer feedback, and then only it goes for commercial production and dispatch to the customers. So we ensure that we do not compromise, we do not even a percent compromise on the quality of the product. Now that is only the 50% of the problem. That is, we take care of 50% of the problem, that we give you a good quality product. The next problem is the service. Generally companies today, if you see LED panels for that matter, people buy 40, 50, 60 inches panels, which doesn't work more than 2 or 3 years. So the question is that if there is a service, what do I do? So we have our own direct selling service team, which are based out of these stores at our office, at our head office. These guys go around the Twin Cities. So if you call us before afternoon, the call will be registered and the call could be attended on the same day, or we request you to wait for 24 hours before the call is attended. But for sure that it will be attended with a lot of care with the trained service engineers. Because today we get people who come to service center who are not very well trained, they don't know what is the problem with the unit.
So coming to the price side, sir, how is the price of your products? What is the basic price of your products, sir?
Lockers start from 7,000 to 8,000 rupees onwards, a manual locker, a small size locker, and it goes up to 1.5 lakh locker. A 1.5 lakh locker would probably save 30, 40 lakh of your savings of, it might save your lifelong savings of your jewelry and ornaments. So that's why we say don't do conjuicy in selecting a locker, because this could save lot of tension for you. It could save lot of issues with regard to your security in your house.
So coming to the Accura feature plan, sir, what is the Accura feature plan?
We are a B2C company. We don't intend to go on a dealer network. We want, because the moment we get into dealer network, we might not be able to keep up to the customer satisfactions, because it's a third party which is handling these customers. So we want to appoint our own employees, our own stores. So currently we are on we are running with 5 stores. The 6th one is on the way, which might open by June or May end. By March of 2022, we will be on double digit. We will be with 10 stores in Twin Cities. Once we cover Twin Cities, we might get into first Telangana. We might have 1 store each in each of these district headquarters or in the cities like Karimnagar, Nizamabad, all these areas. Then move to Andhra. So that is our immediate plan. It might take by 2024. We might be around, a ballpark figure shows us that we might be around 40 to 50 stores covering 2 states.
Just to say that you have a lot of clients, regular clients. So how is the response?
See, as I told you earlier, security is the last which comes into customer's mind. I noticed that the last time when we had a huge hangama in the city when a doctor student was raped and killed a couple of years back, you must have read and heard about that. There was a huge uproar in the city, lot of social media buzzing around with those videos and news. That month, I should say that the sales for cameras went up. That means we don't react. We only react to situations. We don't want to plan our security in advance. That's what I said. If please install a camera and a locker today, not even tomorrow. Okay, whether it might be our brand or some other brand, it could cut down your risks levels by close to 100%. But in reality, the problem is only where the theft in our colony or in our neighbor's place, suddenly we get calls, please come and install a locker. Why is that we do this? Do we wait for the burglar to get into our house before we decide to install a security item? So I would suggest that when you decide to buy a air conditioner for your house, a refrigerator, a washing machine, many other items, why not a camera and a locker? Today you know what is the gold prices. It is like fire, you know, it is increasing by the day, by the week, by the month. It is going to increase. Now whatever gold you have, the quantity of gold is what the value of that same gold which was 1 year back, it is almost double in prices today. So why do you want to take the risk? Please do not lock this gold in some wooden wardrobe or almirah, which might take not more than 1 minute for the thief to open it. Put it, secure it with Acura safety lockers and sleep with a lot of peace of mind.
Right, sir. Coming to related to industry side, sir. How was the industry service, safety and security industry year on year? You know, recently you said that the doctor issues,
Yeah.
after that only CC cameras sales are increasing. So, how is the present situation?
In the industry, as far as lockers are concerned, we have only two players today. The number one player, I would not like to name them, but you know, everybody knows that they are a 100-year-old company. We are the number two player in the market. We have much more models in display in our store than the number one player. In cameras are concerned, there is a problem that the existing players are all B2C players, meaning the company gives the cameras to an electrician. The electrician comes and installs. After that, there is no maintenance of those cameras. The cameras, they don't record. The customer does not even know. Only when he loses some jewelry in his house, or when he wants to, somebody has come and banged his car in his garage, he wants to check the rewind or the record. Suddenly he realizes that the camera is not recording at all, some problem with the DVR or with the hard disk. So you need to have a proper gadget, a proper camera, and a good hand holding by the supplier, by the principal company. Meaning that in the warranty period, they should hand hold you. After the warranty period, for the next 5, 6, 7 years, whenever you call, the company should be able to visit your place. This is a bigger problem in the industry. I am sure the suppliers, the customers will realize this. It is not like a refrigerator that you buy and switch it on 365 days and the fridge keeps running. I hope you will realize that, you know, the fridge keeps running, you don't switch off the fridge. And it runs for some 13, 14 years, and then when it stops functioning, you throw it out and buy a new one. Cameras don't work like that. It's like a baby. You have to keep watching it. You have to check the recording. You have to connect it to a monitor and check whether the cameras are working. If it is not working, you please call the supplier and ask him to come and check it. This is not happening at the current level. If this happens, only the industries might grow. Definitely in the Western developed countries, the house security systems are very strong. Once electronically when the doors and windows are locked, if anybody tries to enter or barge in, or anybody from outside tries to get in, the siren or the alarm starts wailing, and that is connected to the nearest police station. The cops could arrive in 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Someday it might happen in India. Obviously, it might take time. But till the government comes into our rescue, till the police department can come into our rescue, why can't we secure ourselves? Is the question. So I would again urge all of you that keep some money separately for your security and safety of your loved ones, and safety and security of your life earned savings. You slog for about 30-40 years and keep buying jewelry and store those jewelry in a wooden almirah which can be broken in 2 seconds. That is the current system today. I hope, my only hope is that we are planning to put it in 10 or 12 stores in the Twin Cities. Whenever a customer walks into a mall, we will be there, and whenever a customer sees us, we are a reminder to the safety and security of his jewelry at home. So whichever direction he is going to change, or whichever direction he is going to walk, if we are there, if we are going to remind him, someday I hope he will step into our store and order for a locker.
That's one final question. How is the future of this industry, sir? Sir, increasing or how?
Safety lockers will survive as long as Indians feel good about buying gold. Okay, so I am not worried about my business, because gold prices are determined by the supply and demand. The demand is very high in our country. People are buying a lot of gold, and that gold needs to be stored in a safe and secure way. You must be aware that the bank lockers, they keep you in wait list for almost 3 to 4 years to get one small size of bank lockers. Bank lockers have another problem. Some of our advertisements that say goodbye to bank lockers. Why? Because bank lockers, first of all, they give you a very small box. They charge you a hefty monthly rent towards that box. There is a waiting list before they give you that box. They work on a timing. Supposing you have a marriage anniversary or a marriage reception at 7 o'clock, you forgot to take the jewels and you go at 4:30, they are not going to allow you. The only bank timings are your locker operating timings. So after 3:30 or 4, if you are going to the bank, you cannot operate the locker. Fifth most important thing in a bank locker, I don't know whether you realize this, but they will not tell you, that when you sign the dotted lines in a bank locker, whatever you are putting in, whatever jewels you are putting in and taking out, the bank is not responsible for the belongings. Please check this out. The other day RBI had told this out, that bank is not. Why? Because supposing I am putting my wife's 10 bangles into the locker. When I put this into the locker, there is no entry in the bank that I put, because I am alone in the bank locker room. So I operate. Now I come out. Okay. Now supposing, I am not saying it might happen, it has happened in 1 or 2 cases many years back, somewhere in Medak. A Canara Bank locker room was drilled by some burglars, bandits. They got into the locker room and took out all the jewels. When the locker customers went to the police station, police did not lodge an FIR. Why? Because there is no entry as to how many jewels did you keep it in the box. Please go to your bank tomorrow, ask him, if I lose the jewels, will you take care of me? Is there an insurance, or can I lodge a FIR? The answer will be no. So that is why I am saying that you keep it safely and securely in your house with a password, with a biometric, or by keys, so that at least you know that you don't need to work against the timings, you don't need to pay any rent, and whatever jewels are stored in your house is yours. There is no risk of anybody removing it from your locker in the bank. So that is about it. Thank you. Wish you all a safe and a secure years to come.